Did you know 80% of weight loss fails because people feel hungry? But what if I told you eating more could help you lose weight faster? I challenged myself to eat only these 3 super filling foods for 7 days. And the results were unreal. Welcome back to Calwain Health TV. Today we're smashing weight loss myths. Instead of starving, you need foods that fight hunger. These 3 foods keep you full for hours, burn fat, and taste amazing. Ready to meet them? Let's face it, most diets leave you hangry. You cut calories, fight cravings, then binge. Why? Low-satiety foods trick your brain into wanting more. But when you eat foods that actually fill you up, magic happens. Food number 1, eggs, the protein king. One study found eggs keep you 30% fuller than cereal. Food number 2, chia seeds, a fiber bomb that absorbs 10 times its weight in water. Blend them into smoothies or pudding. But the real game changer? Avocado. Healthy fats plus fiber equals hunger shutdown. I ate half with every meal, 0 cravings. Check this meal prep hack. These 3 keep you full, slash calorie intake, and speed up fat loss. No starvation, just results. Comment below. Which food will you try first? Hit like if you're saving this, and tap here for my 7-day metabolism boost meal plan. It's free. Stay fierce, fam.